Hi everyone, welcome to See and Learn. My name is Aisha and in this video I am going to explain what is meant by escape sequence or backslash character constants. There are some backslash character constants in C language. That backslash character constants are also called as the escape sequence. In the previous lecture we have seen constants and its types. These are the special constants called as the backslash character constants. All these are character constants, so they are called as the character constants, but all these are with special symbol backslash with them, so these all characters are called as the backslash character constants. The important thing is that these backslash character constants are used in output function printf only, and these backslash character constants creates their effect. They are non-printable. When you will use these backslash character constants in printf function, they will give their effect in output, but they are not printed in the output. So let us see some backslash character constants. So in C language, /b is used for the backspace. It will create the backspace when you use /b in printf function. /f is for form feed. Form feed is just like the page break. After breaking the page, when your new page is started, it starts with some blank space. That blank space is called as the form feed. /n. /n is the new line character and it creates the new line or it inserts the line. /r. /r is used for carriage return. Carriage return is like the you and use the enter key, and it also creates the line. It goes to the new line. /t. It is used for creating the tab space. Horizontal tab is created using the /t. If you want to use the double quote, you can use double quote with the backslash. If you want to use single quote, it will be used with the backslash single quote. For using backslash 2 times we can use. For creating vertical tab, /v is the character constant. For creating bell or audible alert, you can use /a. For creating question mark, you can use /question mark. So again we will take the recap. Backslash character constants are character constants with backslash. These all are single characters and these are preceded by backslash symbol. These all are non-printable characters. That means their effect can be seen in output only. So these are used in output function printf only. So I think you understand the concept of escape sequence or backslash character constants. So that's it for today. Hope you would like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed.